food is an essential part of a country's culture, and this tour is ideal to get a Bosnian culture and Bosnian food, and as well of the culture and the food of Sarajevo.
As someone who enjoys history and also food, I found this tour very enlightening and excellent.
The gourmet tour of Sarajevo is a very unique way to meet the city. I know the city, but still after taking this tour I have learned a lot. I've seen it from a very unique perspective. I really enjoyed it. The food, the ambiance was very nice. The people on the tour were also interesting as well, and I really recommend taking this tour.
Thank you.